So we're going to go ahead and kick this off with a little concept video, and I think it's going to give you a quick introduction to how this works, and then we'll go ahead and go into the actual demo itself. So basically, Nadim here is looking for a job. He is using a conversational interface. He's saying, I'm looking for a job as a front-end engineer in Boston for this much salary. He's going to upload a resume here. Nadim has a secure connection here between his mobile phone and his node in the cloud. So we're using virtualized blockchain services here. This is an in-app link that is gonna open for his friends in their own version of this app. So Nadim chose Kakao Talk. He's gonna go ahead, send that to me. I'm gonna click on this. It's gonna automatically open in my beta version. I'm gonna get my own link, and now I can share this with friends just like any typical referral system on any social media platform that I choose. And they're going to be able to in turn open it up in their version of the app. So each of these apps are talking to the user's own virtualized node instance in the cloud. So now Nadim is looking at the graph of all of these referrals going out. So each time someone clicks, that's a transaction that gets written to the public ledger, and now he can see the chain of people that have shared his task. So now all of those people are involved in trying to find the job that he's looking for. So it gets passed on here to Ace. Ace is actually browsing the feed in his version. So this feed is looking at the public ledger via a secure connection to Ace's virtualized node. And Ace says, yeah, you know what? I do know somebody who's looking for that job. And he sends a chat message to Nadim. So Nadim gets the message from Ace. He decides to accept. Once this is completed and all the people in the chain have been verified, then the reward is split across everyone who participated in the project. So those programmable transactions happen automatically once Nadim hits accept. And so that smart contract is executed and the coins are shared.